Hey guys, it's about 5 o'clock right now and we are currently waiting for Kareem because we're gonna go check out a cafe in Abdoun. I saw it on Instagram and it looked pretty cool, so I thought let's go get a tea or a coffee or whatever and chill for a bit. But it is freezing outside because it is super windy, so I'm like hiding near my door so to try to block the wind a little bit. The Kareem driver is like 8 minutes away. I think that's the longest I've ever had to wait, so that's actually pretty good. So we are currently at 7 Pennies Cafe, and it's pretty cool because for every 1 JD you spend, they give you these coins that are worth 7 pennies or 7 fills. And then you can choose where you want to donate that. They have a whole bunch of different boxes that you can drop it into, and they'll donate that money to those charities, which is pretty awesome. Plus this place is super chill, it's pretty cool. I mean, look at this thing behind me. It's a map of Jordan made with the little coins. Now we're gonna walk over to a cake shop to pick up some little sweets for my dad and Jansom. Should be just around the corner. Hey. Psst, 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 psst. Psst, 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 psst. Come here. Okay, goodbye. Oh my gosh, it is windy and it is foggy. It is really, really foggy and it is cold. Cakes have been acquired. I'm quite excited about them. They look pretty delicious. Now we're just gonna walk around for a bit because we're in Abdoun and we're pretty close to the main circle where the American embassy is. So we're just gonna go see what else they have around here and then probably catch your Kareem home. Well, the walk is cut short because it started raining. So we just booked a Kareem and we're hoping he comes pretty soon because it is really cold and windy and raining. And my mom's phone is only on like 6%. So hopefully he comes before her phone dies. This is fun. So Kareem is not the most reliable according to GPS. The guy was on the opposite side of the street and lost, but he saw us and I think he's coming around to get us now, hopefully. So cold. So Jansom got a chocolate cupcake with M&Ms on it. We got Dad a apple pie, and then this is a cheesecake, tiramisu cheesecake. Mm.